This one is. It's just low.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Orange County until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Milford, moving east at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging wind gusts and hail. The severe thunderstorm will be near Port Jervis around 7:20 p.m., Unionville around 7:45 p.m. Nearly continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm.
That one's gonna go off.
Thunder horse, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder,
Don't do that here. Here we go.
Be struck by lightning. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from
It's on a different channel.
and large hail.
Don't do that. There's a fan in here.
Strong winds or wind damage when you can do so safely to the National Weather Service via Facebook or tweet us at NWS New York headline or mail us at okx.spotters@noaa.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York. For the following county, Orange, New York. Reducing damaging wind gusts and hail. The severe thunderstorm will